Well, do you want to know how I got these teeth here to be so clean and white, like as you see now? Well, if you want to get whitening teeth in Photoshop, stay tuned. I will be revealing the technique on how to get your teeth clean like this you see here. Because if I were to do this, this is your before, after, before, after. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Let me just zoom in this picture a bit so that you can see clearly. Okay guys, the first thing that you need to do, you need to duplicate your background layer. So I'm pressing Ctrl J on my laptop. After duplicating your layer, you come here and you click on your hue and saturation in order to get the hue and saturation layer. Then under the master, you take the saturation down up to minus, I think minus 75 is good. Minus 75 is good. Then you press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. Ctrl I. Then you come into your brush. You pick up your normal brush. Pick your normal brush. Opacity 100%. The flow 100%. So ensure that after choosing your brush tool, your normal brush tool, your opacity is on 100%, your flow is also on 100%. And on the color swatches here, ensure that white is the foreground color and black is the background color, because in Photoshop white reveals and black hides. So with that done, it's just your teeth, like in order to reveal the effect. Paint over the teeth to reveal the effect. You see guys, nice and clean white teeth in Photoshop. So this is your before, this is after. Before, after. Now, if you find the videos that I produce on my channel to be interesting, valuable, and worthy to watch, then consider subscribing to the channel, guys. I really appreciate that, as it helps the channel to grow. Please like, comment, so that the algorithm can push the video to other beginner editors or photographers, as I am producing content for beginners. So with that done, I have to love and leave you for now. So I'll see you on the next one. Now it's bye for now.
I ain't gon' sacrifice my time unless you talk about pride.